Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to play a sound for status notifications on WhatsApp Web with the latest update. If you use WhatsApp Web on your PC and want to make sure you don't miss any new status updates, this quick and easy tutorial is just for you. First things first, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp web page and linking your account with the QR code. Once it's open, make sure you're already logged into your WhatsApp account so we can get started right away. Now, take a look at the left side of your screen. In the sidebar where your chat list appears, you'll notice a small gear icon near the bottom. That's the settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a few different options related to your account, privacy, and appearance. From here, click on notifications. This is where all your notification preferences for WhatsApp Web are managed. Once you're in the notifications section, scroll a bit until you find status. This new option was added in the recent update and allows you to control how you get notified when someone posts a new status. Click on status to access those settings. Here comes the important part. You'll see the play sound toggle next to the status notifications. To enable audio alerts when someone updates their status, simply switch it on. When activated, WhatsApp Web will now play a notification sound every time a new status is uploaded by one of your contacts. That's it. Super quick and simple. With this feature turned on, you'll never have to worry about missing someone's story or status update again. It's a nice little addition for those who love keeping up with friends and family updates in real time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tech tips and updates just like this. Thanks for watching. For Kucher